difficulties in solving analytic geometry problems? Don't worry, cause me and my partner Edsel are going to help you! What are our topics for today, Edsel?
So we have 3 topics for today, and our topics are midpoint and distance in a line segment, and midpoint and distance formula, and division of a line segment
Internally
and externally.
Yeah!
For distance, if Edsel is at ICTHS and he wants to take his girlfriend to a date at SM Talabastagan, which is 2,000 meters away at the right side of ICTHS, and they want to go to the Vista Mall to watch Annabelle, which is 1,000 meters away at the left side of ICTHS, what is the distance between SMT to Vista Mall? First of all, you have to know the formula, which is the absolute value of x sub 1 minus x sub 2. To solve this, the given for x sub 1 is 2,000 meters away. It's positive because it's the right side, minus negative 1,500 because it's at the left side, so it's negative. So to solve this, we have to know the KF's rule, which is keep, flip, and change. You have to keep this, flip to plus, and change this to positive 1,500. The answer is 3,500. Yan.
The problem we have for midpoint is Aviona is at ICTHS and she needs to buy some school supplies at Jumbo Genera, which is 500 meters away at the right side of ICTHS. Then she needs to go on a date with Edward Jing at Walter Mart, which is 1,750 meters away at the left side of ICTHS, where she stopped at the middle of her travel because her car is out of gas. What is her midpoint now? So to solve this, we need to know the formula, which is x sub 1 minus x sub 2 divided by 2. Our x sub 1 is 1,750, but since it's at the left side, it's negative minus 500 meters away over 2. So to solve this, we need to keep, flip, change. So it's going to be plus, and this is going to be negative. Negative 1,750 plus negative 500 is 2,250 over 2 negative. And negative 2,250 over 2 is equals to 1,100 is equals to 1,125. But since it's negative, it's going to be negative because negative divided by positive is equals to negative. So this is our midpoint, negative 1,125 meters.
Distance formula. Find the distance of the line segment A and B. Point A is located at negative 4, 6, while point B is located at 3, negative 9. So the formula for distance is D is equals to square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. You need to substitute the values. So D is equals to 3 minus negative 4 squared plus negative 9 minus 6 squared. The answer is going to be 49 plus 225. You need to add both of them. So the answer is going to be 274. Now, you need to find the square root of 274. The square root of 274 is 16.55. And that's it. That's the distance.
Problem we have is find the midpoint of line segment x and y. X is located at 3, 6 and y is located at negative 6, 4. Plot the points and find their midpoint. To solve this problem, we need to know the formula first. Our formula is m is equals to x sub 2 plus x sub 1 all over 2, y sub 2 plus y sub 1 all over 2. Our x sub 2 is negative 6 and our x sub 1 is 3. Negative 6 plus 3 divided by 2 is equals to negative 3 over 2. M is equals to negative 1 and 1 half. Our y sub 2 is 4 and our y sub 1 is 6. 4 plus 6 all over 2 is equals to 10 over 2. Our midpoint is 5. Graph the
Do you ever wonder how to divide a line segment internally? First, you have to know the formula to solve easily. The formula is x sub p equals m x sub 2 plus n x sub 1 over m plus n. The missing part is x sub p, which means the x-coordinate of point P. You have to know the m, which is the ratio. The ratio is 4 by 3. 4 is your m and 3 is your n. Your x sub 2 is always the opposite of n. So in the pic above, x sub 2 and y sub 2 is negative 4 and negative 3. And your x sub 1 and y sub 1 is 4 and 3. So to solve the equation, follow the formula. In this problem, there are two cases. Now we are going to do the case 1. X sub p is equals to 4 multiplied by negative 4 plus 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 16 plus 12 over 7 is equal to negative 4 over 7. Our x sub p is negative 4 over 7. This is the formula in solving the y sub p. Y sub p is equal to m y sub 2 plus n y sub 1 over m plus n. Y sub p is equal to 4 multiplied by negative 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3 over 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 12 plus 9 over 7 is equal to negative 3 over 7. Our y sub p is negative 3 over 7. When you're done, graph the points. 4, negative 3, and negative 4 and negative 3. That's just the case 1. We still have the case 2. Your m is negative 4, negative 3, and your n is 4 and 3. Do the same in case 1. xp is equal to m x sub 2 plus n x sub 1 over m plus n. X sub p is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by negative 4 over 4 plus 3 is equal to 16 plus negative 12 over 7 is equal to 4 over 7. Your x sub p is 4 over 7. And for our y sub p is equal to m y sub 2 plus n y sub 1 over m plus n. Y sub p is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by negative 3 over 4 plus 3 is equal to 12 plus negative 9 over 7 is equal to 3 over 7. Our x of p is 3 over 7. Plot the coordinates and you're done.
Our problem for dividing line segment externally is A 4, negative 4, and B 6, 8 are two given points, and the point C divides the line segment externally in the ratio 2:3. Coordinates of y. So our formula for this problem is x of p is equals to mx of 2 plus nx of 1 over m plus n. Our x of p is 6 is equals to our m is 2 multiplied by x of 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 over 2 plus 3. 6 is equals to 2x of 2 plus 12 over 5. So to cancel the denominator, we need to multiply it by both sides by 5. So 5 times 6 is equals to 30. 30 is equals to 2x of 2 plus 12 plus 12 So we need to transpose the 12 in 30. So it's going to be 30 minus 12 is equals to 2x of 2. Is equals to 18 over 12. 18 over 2 is equals to 3 is equals to 2x of 2 over 2. Divide to cancel the 2x of. So the answer is x of 2 is equals to 9. So our x of 2 is 9. To find the y's of p, the formula is y's of p is equals to for the y's of p, we need to know the formula first. Y's of p is equals to my's of 2 plus ny's of 1 all over m plus n. Our y's of p is 8 equals to 2 multiplied y's of 1 plus 3 multiplied by negative 4 all over 2 plus 3. 8 is equals to 2y sub 2 plus negative 12 all over 5. To cancel the denominator, we need to multiply both sides by 5. 8 times 5 is equals 40 equals to 2y sub 2 minus 12. Transpose 12, and it's going to be 40 plus 12 is equals to 2y sub 2. To cancel the 2, divide it by 2. So 52 divided by 2 is equals to 26. Our y sub p is equals 26. 26. To finish this problem, you need to graph it. Graph x up to 9. After graphing, connect the points and you're done. everybody, we still need to do our case 2. So for our case 2, we need to know the formula first. X sub p is equals to mx x sub 2 plus n x sub 1 all over m plus n. Our x sub p is 4 is equals 2 multiplied by x sub 2 plus 3 multiplied by 6 all over 2 plus 3. 4 equals 2x sub 2 plus 18 all over 5. To cancel the denominator, we need to multiply it by both sides by 5. 5 times 4 is equals 20. 20 equals 2x sub 2 plus 18. We need to 20 minus 18 equals transpose the 18 first. 2x sub 2. To cancel it, divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals 2x sub 2 all over 2 is equals to 1. Our x sub 2 is 1. Y sub p, we need to know the formula first. Our formula is y sub p is equals to my sub 2 plus ny sub 1 all over m plus n. Our y sub p is negative 4 equals 2 multiplied by y sub 2 plus 3 multiplied by 8 all over 2 plus 3. Negative 4 is equals to 2y sub 2 plus 24 all over 5. To cancel the denominator, we need to multiply both sides by 5. 5 times negative 4 is equals to 20. Negative 20 equals 2y sub 2 plus 24 all over. Negative 20 is equals to 2y sub 2 plus 24. Transpose the 24, it's going to be negative 20 minus 24 is equals to 2y sub 2. Negative 20 minus 24 is negative 44. Divide both sides by 2 and our y sub 2 is negative 22. To finish this problem, you need to graph the points in the Cartesian plane. So our x sub 2 is 1 and our y sub 2 is negative 22. Connect the points and you're done. That's all for today, guys.
I hope you learned something new today.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to
Subscribe!